Hey, so we're giving away some GCs. Kids, are you ready? Grabe, ang galing nila, no, in fairness, Miss Jocelyn. Sobrang ready. And I love their confidence, too. And I think that's one of the things I love about DC characters is they truly know how to represent and give kids a really good idol, diba? To look up to, diba? To defend the helpless and to always exude that confidence and make sure to do the right thing, even when it's hard. All right, Ms. Jocelyn, so we have 3 winners. Nahirapan po ba kayo? Sino yung favorite DC character niyo, Ms. Jocelyn? Ay, ayan, nashock na siya sa results. All right, no peeking. Handa na po ba tayo? Remember, we're giving away some GCs for this. Ms. Jocelyn, before we announce them, sino yung favorite DC character niyo? Batman. Pogi kasi, no? Tapos sa lakas niya pa. Tapos ang yaman pa. Okay, Ms. Jocelyn, let's announce our winners from the kids category muna. All right.
For second place is Kid Contestant, Kid Batman, number 3.
Contestant number 3! Yes! Palakpakan naman dyan. Good job, man. Good job. What's your name? James, why do you like Batman? Because he has superpowers. Well, technically, yes. I mean, I feel like he has superpowers as a human, diba? He has, money. I consider money to be superpowers and gadgets. Good job, James. Big shot for the camera. 3, 2, 1. Thank you. Congratulations. Asan na yung prize ni James? Ayan. Sabi ni James, where's my prize? There you go. Enjoy your shopping in SM. Thank you very much, James. Let's call our next winner.
Okay, our first place is contestant number 1.
Contestant number 1! Congratulations! What's your name? Prince! Bakit po gusto si Batman? Ayun! Ganda naman ang sagot ni Prince. Okay, 3, 2, 1!
Picture ba?
Thank you, Prince. Thank you. That's for you. And finally, our first placer. Congratulations to
our grand winner. Congratulations to contestant number 4.
Contestant number 4. Pati yung hair niya parang Bruce Wayne, no? What's your name? Aiden, why do you like Batman? Because he's handsome and you like his cars. Can I just ask, magkano ba yung full tank nito? I'm kidding. All right, big smile for the camera in 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Aiden! Give us a big round of applause. Let's get all our winners to join us on stage right now together with Ms. Jocelyn. There you go. Maybe we can get contestant 1 to move there. Then tayo, Prince. Yes, sa kabila tayo. You can stay here. Ayun, perfect. All right. Squeeze in, everybody. And in 3, 2, 1, we say Batman. 3, 2, 1, Batman. Thank you very much. Let's give a grand applause for all our winners from the kids cosplay category. Thank you guys. Enjoy your GCs. Enjoy shopping in SM. Let's move on to our winners from the adults category naman. Okay, Ms. Jocelyn, di pa tayo tapos. Ready na siya kumain doon. Okay. So, first up, we have our second runner-up.
Our second runner-up is contestant number 6.
Contestant number 6! Ayun! Hello, very retro. Wow. Why did you choose this iteration of Batgirl? Oh, that's so nice. It's like an homage to the Batgirl your mom grew up watching. Beautiful. What's your name? Candy. Congratulations to you. Big smile to the camera. 3, 2, 1. Ang Ganda nun. The fact that 85 years na siya, no, it is a legacy. So he's a hero to kids, adults, super adults alike. Alright, first run-up na tayo.
Our first runner-up is contestant number 8.
Congratulations, contestant number 8. Hello, Miss Harley. Oh, watch where you swing that bat. Hello, hello. What's your name? Reyna Lynn. Paborito mo ba talaga si Harley Quinn? Ganda rin eh. Reyna Lynn, Harley Quinn. Diba? Rhymes. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Say Harley. Congratulations, Reyna Lynn. Diyan ka lang muna kasi may group photo pa tayo mamaya. Okay. But for now, we're ready to announce the grand winner from the adult category. Congratulations to...
Contestant number 7.
Number 7! Looks like 7 is your lucky number. Wow, puro girls! Catwoman, hello! Hello, hello. Matutuwa si Batman na nanalo kayo. What's your name? And why did you choose Catwoman?
Because I love cats. I have 6 cats now.
You have 6 cats at home! Did you see the other cat here? Look, she's right there, hiding from the dogs. Okay, big smile for the camera. 3, 2, 1. Congratulations. Let's get all the winners to join us on stage once again. All 3 ladies. Ayan. Okay. And in 3, 2, 1. Batman. Beautiful. Thank you very much. Another big round of applause for all our cosplayers. And Miss Jocelyn, thank you. Congratulations to you as well. Happy 85th Batman. May you have many more years to come. Thank you, SM North EDSA, for staging this event right here at the Atrium. And thank you, Pacific Licensing Studios Incorporated. And to all our friends from the media, sana po nag-enjoy kayo. At